Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to remove professional account or professional mode on Instagram. So first of all, go ahead to your app, so Google Play. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead to the Instagram app. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just double check if the Instagram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it. And if it doesn't, just go ahead to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the Instagram app, and as you can see right here, you will see the interface of the app. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here. I'm gonna just click on my profile icon on the below right corner, and from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the three bars at the top right, and from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the settings gear. Alright, and from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the account and basically scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna see right here switch to a professional account, or in that case you want to turn off the professional account, you're gonna just click right here instead of the switch. You're gonna see the switch to a personal account by clicking on it. Basically what's gonna happen is you're gonna remove the professional mode from your Instagram, and it's gonna get back to your own Instagram account, Instagram personal account. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.